Through travel, the more we learn about each other and our differences, the more we realize how similar we actually are. So the main goal is to have an Indigenous retreat that people can come and utilize and experience our culture. Trapline tours, dog sledding to snowshoeing, all year round spa.
The Woods experience offers a place for people to come and reconnect with the land and with nature. Not everybody has that at their fingertips, so we want to be a place where people feel welcome and they can come and do that in their own way, whether it be in a group or connecting with us or having their own privacy.